Hi, I'm Gitika Arora. I'm a physics expert. But today, I'm not going to tell you book ka science. I will tell you life ka science. So I'm going to speak about law of attraction. The law of attraction is the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. Irrespective of our age, our nationality, our religion, we are susceptible to the laws which governs this whole universe. This law uses the power of our mind to translate it into reality. In simple language, all the thoughts we are making eventually turns into things. So what does it mean that whatever you are thinking, whatever you want, you can turn into reality, you can get it by this law of attraction. So let us see how this law of attraction works. So the first step is to make a clear decision. That is, you should be very clear about it, what you want. It can be about yourself, it can be about your near and dear one, it can be about your family. So whatever you want, make a clear decision. You should have a clear decision. Okay, yes, this is I wanting. The second step is start visualizing. So once you know that I want this, you have made a decision. Start visualizing it. Start imagining that it has already occurred. It has happened. Think that I have achieved this. I have got this. It's actually happening in my life. Whatever I was thinking of. The third thing is set affirmation. This is very, very important part of this. That you should set the affirmation. You should be now, yes, it has happened. You should be very clear about it. You should make this statement. You should say this again in your mind that it has happened. It has happened. Not it is going to happen. Will it happen or not? It has happened. You should set this affirmation. The next, again a very important thing, start thinking positively. Now this is very, very important that whatever we are thinking about, we should be positive about it. We should not thinking, oh, whether it will happen or not. We should be clear, it will happen. Be positive about it. The moment you have got this mind in like negative thinking or something like maybe it will not happen, then this will not work. So you should be positive. Yes, it is going to happen. I'm going to achieve this. I'm going to get this. And then when everything will happen, then finally the universe start throwing some signs. You will get sign from the universe. The universe will give you sign. Yes, the things are coming into your way. You are going to get the opportunity. Whatever you are thinking, you will definitely get that. But every law has some conditions. So this is only applicable in a certain condition, and that condition is only one condition. The thoughts you are making, it should be a positive thought. It should be beneficial to you, but it should not harm anybody. Nobody should lose anything from that. You are gaining fine, but it should not be at the cost of harming anybody. That is very important. It should not have any negativity. Then it will not work. I'm sorry. So, for this, you should have a positive and a kind thing in your mind. It should not be negative for anybody. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like it, share it, and press the bell icon so you will get notification when I will upload any video. Thank you.